Incredible too. Yeah. To people.
Dum, dum, da-da-da-da-dum. Dum, da-da-da-da-dum. I believe in miracles. Where you from? You sexy thing, sexy thing. Dum, da-da-da-da-dum. Du-du-dum, du-du-dum, dum. Eh. Du-du-dum, du-du-dum, dum. Du-du-du-du-du. Cha-da-da, cha-da-da, cha. Du-du-du-du-du. Du-du-dum, du-du-dum, dum. Du-du-du-du-du. Du-du-dum, du-du-dum, dum. Du-du-du-du-du. Du-du-dum, du-du-dum, dum. Du-du-du-du-dum. Du-du-dum. I believe in miracles. Where you from? You sexy thing, sexy thing. Hey, celebration time! Come on! Ooh! Ooh!
Ribbon!
How was he able to do it? I mean, how come Dad was among the chosen few? Well, it's not as if he's a bad fellow anyway. It's just that sometimes when that man starts in disciplinary exercise, even heaven cannot stop him. Well, go back. Hey, God. So now, Pale, they go to address Pale now as Honorable Chief Pastor J.P. Ochuko. Automatically, me have not become honorable. I will now be known and addressed to as Honorable Kes. We'll remove the Enya. Honorable Kes Ochuko JP Jr. Honorable! Woo! You see? Hey! To get title for this country, they easy. For people like us. My father is one. Automatically, I will become an honorable too. Woo! Bego, before they go dishonorable me.
Bros, I beg, do quick, I beg. I still dey work.
Easy, eh? I never change money here. I will try to see if I go see. Cassie! Cassiana! Cassie!
Friend of four.
Friend, just back from pilgrimage. Sandama F. Tata Matani. I begin to speak Hebrew now. Well, look for 2,000 naira, give this man. And Jerusalem and Nazareth note currencies there with me here. I will send you go change them later.
Pale, why you say go carry Jerusalem and Nazareth money now? Why you don't carry dollars?
See your mouth. Go bring this thing, come. I say you go change money later.
Me if I don't get money now. Now, Escravos money in my hand. I don't know whether I go fit change out.
I beg. Look, now to not take me play panya for here. Which kind of Jerusalem and currency that I talk about? Look, I never eat that side though, but I get Olomoru. I get sharp to go cutlass here. Try me.
Pale, I go bring money come.
Wait. Now 2,000 naira.
Give me my money. Next time when I come take me the play panya for here.
Incredible too.
I think I have to. Rapo!
Yeah. To people, Father and Son. No different to any other person on our street. We see them as a mirror. Father and Son. Father and Son. Credible too. But they are concerned about our mind, our heart. They tell us the bad side, show us the good side. And ugly, incredible too. Want a good life.
Pale. So say all these things we there, now for me, so you bring them come.
You don't know anything. You will still sinner. But when you say you born again, then you also will start to go this journey for where man for stop.
Pale, how you waka? How you start this miracle journey?
You know, say I be elder, apostle, I be squadron leader for church at Jagun Christi. And I did for Joshua Brigade when fight side by side with Caleb. After Moses done mud. You know, say no one great die before until God come by force and take. Anyway, then we come move go Egypt. Come reach where Pharaoh throne day. Now let me now they allow go sit on top of the throne. From there we come go in grave. Pharaoh sit there for the grave. Tight face. He take this and take hold spear, take this and take hold sword. See the vex. For all the soldiers when they say mud for inside Red Sea, you see one go revenge. Everlasting annoyance.
They allow you sit down for Pharaoh throne. Now the one will resemble I've been at the original one.
Which resemble? The real one has sit down. Even the ring where Pharaoh take dash Joseph, he still did there live.
Wear am? You wear am? You bring am?
I no wear am. I no bring am. He did for the stone glass for that same place. That place fine. That place too much.
So they allow you enter inside, go bring them. Hey, you be miracle father. Pale, what do you come carry this stone from there, come do here now?
Hey, not touch them. All those are not the ordinary stones. Although now they're among the stone when David take catapult Goliath that time.
So they still go there?
Yes. Those after Goliath don't mud, everybody runs scatter. So the Israelites they come fence the place around. So now let me now then open the place, say, make I enter the place, collect. The place now, the border between Palestine and Jerusalem.
Hey, Pale. So now only you they allow enter the place.
Yes.
Hey, you be miracle father.
Incredible too. Yeah. To people.
Yeah. Those are Moses, the sandals. Well, for me, God, when God tell us, say, Moses, remove those sandals from where you are standing. It's a holy ground.
The holy ground, and they take some.
Where have I seen them before? Even the bush, they very fresh. Only say the fire not there again. Now only the smoke now remain now.
What do the fire?
That time when God talked to Moses, you say God did that time, how many fire did there? But now smoke now remain, now be the glory of God.
So Pale, how you can't take see then go collect the sandal from there?
You know, say at the venture where everybody they fear to climb that mountain. I mean, I climb go there. I can't see the sandals. I can't look and say, I won't take them. Now tell God, say, Papa, you know, say you talk, say, anything when we ask, we will get them. I thought, say, my Peking, take them.
Okay, where Moses can take see another sandal if to say he drop on there? Because Bible talk say they no change clothes or their shoe for the 40 years when they trek for the desert.
You know, say that time when Moses come from Egypt, he can't get a law they call Jethro of Midian. And the man I gave him another sandals. And the way where the man dig when they drink water that time, I drink water from there. From there now we can go mountain Sinai. And then we see really nice stars, Balaka.
Pale. No be Sinai na Sinai. S-I-N-A-I.
I tell you, sir, I don't know. See all that stone when they did so. Then are the part of the pieces of the stone where God write 10 commandments put. When Moses takes stone on it, guys, when they come from that mountain, when all of them they ground there, they dance hip hop, alata, Fuji garbage, everything. When he provoke for them.
Pale. No be that kind dance never come that time. No be juju they serve before he come meet them. Which one be the firewood?
Now Moses road now they call firewood. Look, make you just control your mouth, make you know as you go they talk anyhow. Because I know this holy paraphernalia when if we hear so.
Pale. Moses road long. He long pass himself. I watch out for him now.
For how many years now? Since the time when Moses take this road, take divide Red Sea, come reach now, you know how many years? The road now iron. You know say from that year you go they chop. You don't say you come shop, come with me small ekuru here now. If I hold on corner, you will tell me say na road for Siam Peak. Say not be from that bring am. I can't bring this one now. They say I want take and go for that Ethiopia river. They can divide the river, chase all those money water, then come up from there. They not the made the area progress at all.
Pale. Now pure water you put inside there so.
Which kind pure water? That not the water of Meribah. When Moses take and still wipe the rock, water called rock come out inside. Jordan water they inside that place. Even the water when Jesus turned to wine, or they inside that place.
Water of Meribah. Wall of Jericho. Jesus wine. How all this one are going to take affect us?
They there, picking of small feet. Then from then I will go Jordan, where Jesus was baptized. Now them himself are for baptized. We can't go Palace, where Palace dey. Even that basin when they put water, when they wash and say, he had not dey Jesus blood though. I see him. We can't go upper room, where Jesus was work that last supper. Even the cup when they drink that wine with the plate when they work, I use them. And from there we can go Mount Gethsemane.
Pale. Gethsemane, no be Gethsemane.
And now you know, I tell you something I don't know. Nothing saying that the same papa, when the long your mouth they follow, they argue for it. Nothing saying that you they see so. Yeah? You know, say when Jesus resurrect, you not agree make anybody touch him.
Pale, this is why they talk, say you don't go, come back. It means you don't die, wake now. Eh? It means you go evaporate, go heaven like Enoch and Elijah.
Evaporate, go condense for where? Oh, you teach us I go, so I know we'll come back. That's not your plan, eh?
Pale, no vex. Continue your gist.
Now, Peter Kenu, I will take cross Dead Sea, go from where Jesus will feed 5,000 people. We come out there, come go to the prison where they put John the Baptist. In head when they caught, he still dead there. Now, lay body, they carry go bury. Hey! People wicked.
Wonders no go ever end.
How go take end? Now, from there, we'll come go see the relatives of blind Bartimaeus. We can see the brothers and sisters of the woman when get issue of blood for 12 years. We can see the brothers of the cripple when Peter and John, they make an waka. We can see the brothers of the disciples, all the rest people, all of them when follow Jesus before. We see all of them. Come go where they nail Jesus, the cross. All the pieces were scattered for ground. I can see make a pack some. They say for where? They not agree.
Pale. Even Bible talk and say make everybody they carry one cross. What you want to go do with that one?
So, let me to show how the thing take penny rich, and how to love her. Ramoya, Rosso. Hey, Ewawa, Ewa, Acha, Chiri. Benu. Raboni! Go see who there for the gate.
To people.
Pale. Now the neighbors then they get. They call ask whether you don't come and I say yes. So you don't even come with plenty things. Say you come with rod, stone, healing oil, healing water, you know, sandal, all those things. Hey, that mama wey dey sick since. She no go hospital. Now here she go get her healing.
Which kind of issue go enter this big head? Eh? Which kind of pattern you go vaga full ground for this? Eh? All this paraphernalia I want to pack for here, so all of them don't congeal. Only they got to get to revive, recharge, and reactivate them before they go work. Hey, put this people, not go disgrace me.
Pale, which one could be recharge and reactivate again? No be Elijah Bone, they carry dead body put where the person can wake up later. Pale, you know they plan healing ministry.
Which healing ministry?
Healing, miracle, deliverance ministry. And the thing where people they pursue nowadays be that now. Nobody gets faith of their own again. Everybody now they deposit their life on top another person and now for healing, miracle, for money, husband, especially all those babes where they expire. They hope for miracle for husband and husband. We get plenty money.
I will not do for that kind of. Now my pilgrimage now go jeje.
So what can be the gain of all the Israeli journey where you make?
What you be say I don't get automatic ticket to go heaven.
Pale, now they talk now. You don't go, come back. You don't come back with plenty things. You come back with a stone. You come back with sandal. You come back with Moses rod. Elijah rod where Elijah give him. Now these things you go put together, do the work now.
Look, all these antiquities were full here so now for my holy gallery. Not be for any deliverance or revival, abi miracle.
Pale, you be correct, Pale, now. You be Apostle, Elder, Bode, Ochuko, JP.
I be Mr. Bode Ochuko, JP. I not there for plenty name.
Well, as you talk, make it be so. But remember, say, when you change your mind to enter politics, you go still gather name.
Break Europe, Rekata. Hey, acha. Shagubia! Areba, Ebri. See, this malaria will give me hallucination. Okay. What did you...
Incredible too. Incredible, Father and Son. Incredible, Father and Son. Father and Son, from a family, live in harmony. Anywhere they go, people feel happily. It's alright, it's okay. Can't you see all around you? They make you happy. That is kind of family I love to belong to. Credible too. Father and Son, incredible too.